Hello dear kids, welcome to the FlipFlop channel. Our videos are just right for you and offer an entertaining mix of learning and having fun. We have fun stories with fairies, pirates, princes and many others. With us, you're learning new letters through play. Just get involved in the number adventure with Gigi Giraffe. There are funny stories about Easter,
Ho, ho, ho!
or Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho!
Together we make funny figures. There's a lot to learn here for little explorers. Subscribe to the channel and never miss a new adventure. We look forward and seeing you and your family on our exciting journey.